Hello my lovelies, welcome back to another journal with me. We are back in the spare room. We haven't been in this room for a really long time because it was being used as a bedroom for Matt's brother since the end of last summer. So he has now bought a flat and has moved out, which means we are back in this room because this room is eventually going to become my YouTube studio, creation station. There's going to be some videos. I'm not even sure. I've filmed a video to put out about the kind of start of the series of the build. I'm not sure on the scheduling, so this video might come out after that. This video might come out before that. Who knows? There will be a video at some point explaining the plan for this room. I filmed it just a minute ago, so you'll notice I'm wearing the same outfit, so there's a little behind the scenes for you. And it's just nice to be back in this space. At the moment it's quite empty. I'm sitting on the day bed, which needs to be made. There's no bedding on it, but there's nice cushions and a blanket. So yeah, this is going to be an exciting space. It's going to be my little haven, my little place where I can just come and retreat, and I'm really excited about that. So without rattling on about that, because that's what that series is going to be all about, is going to be documenting the development of this room and the build, and that is really exciting. So we're going to get stuck into 3 journal prompts for this journal with me. We're going to go for the usual 3.5 minutes for each prompt, and that is about it. If you're new around here, welcome. I really hope you enjoy this opportunity to do some journaling. And all you need to know is that you just need to write. You don't need to think about it. There's no rules when it comes to journaling. Just allow yourself to answer the question, the prompt that I'm going to ask. And you have 3.5 minutes and some music to get into it. This is perfect if you've never journaled before, or if you're someone who struggles to find the time to journal, because this is some dedicated time. So, without further ado, our first prompt is, what recent challenge have I learned from? Or challenges, I guess. What recent challenge or challenges have I learned from? Okay, and your next one is, what newness do I want to welcome into my life? What newness do I want to welcome into my life? Your next one, your final one, is describe a recent joyful experience and how it made you feel. Describe a recent joyful experience and how it made you feel. So they were your 3 prompts. I hope that they were good. I hope that you got something from them, and I hope that you found them insightful, useful, interesting, enlightening, all of the words. It's been really lovely to come together and in the spare room. I need to get like an official name for this room, I think. You know, like men have like a man cave. I know that you can get a she shed, but it's not a shed because it's in my house. So if you think of any names, you could drop them in the comments below. I'm going to have a little brainstorm. Could be creative cave. No, it's a bit rubbish. I don't know. I'm going to have a little think about it. As I said, there will be a video, or there may already be a video on here explaining the plan for this room, and there will be over the course of the development and the build, if you like. There's not that much going on, but I'm going to document it and show you the process of, turning it into my little place of my little haven. Maybe it needs to be something haven, because I've said that twice now. So anyway, if you are new around here, make sure you subscribe. I'd love to have you here again. These videos come out weekly. The initial plan was to have them out on Tuesdays, but seeing as I'm filming this on Wednesday, that hasn't really gone to plan because life. So they are weekly. At the moment it's a little bit all over the place with what days, but I think as we move forwards into the year, I know we're 3 months in, but as we keep moving forwards into the year, then I'll get a bit more consistent with what days they are coming out, because, life is just busy sometimes. Life just takes over. So with all that being said and done, I hope you have enjoyed being here. I hope you have enjoyed journaling with me, and I hope to see you in the next video. Take care, my loves.